Stop. Right now. Close your other tabs, because what I'm about to tell you in the next 2 minutes can either make you a champion by December 31st or leave you with the same regrets you had last year. Your choice. But decide fast. The clock is ticking. Let me guess your story. January 1st. This is my year. New me, new goals. February. Still motivated. Kinda. March to November. Where did the time go? And now? December. You're scrolling through Instagram watching other people win while you're stuck in the same place. Here's the truth nobody tells you. You didn't fail because you're not smart enough. You failed because you treated your goals like wishes, not commitments. But here's the good news. The game isn't over yet, not even close. Listen, I'm going to give you a challenge. It's simple, it's brutal, it works. The Final 40 challenge. You have roughly 40 days left. That's 960 hours. That's 57,600 minutes. Most people will waste it, but not you. Not after this video. Here's your blueprint. Step 1, the one thing rule. Pick one goal, not 5. 1. The one thing that if you accomplished it would make you proud on December 31st. Write it down, right now. Step 2, the 2-hour promise. Every single day, no excuses. 2 hours minimum on that goal. Tired? Do it. Busy? Do it. Don't feel like it? Especially do it. Step 3, kill your distractions. Delete Instagram, delete TikTok, or at least set a 30-minute daily limit. Your dreams need attention more than those reels do. Step 4, the night review. Before you sleep, ask yourself, did I move forward today or did I stay stuck? Keep a simple checklist. 1 check mark per day. 40 days, 40 check marks. That's it. Here's what's going to happen. On January 1st, there will be 2 versions of you. Version 1, scrolling through social media thinking, another year wasted, maybe next year. Version 2, looking in the mirror with pride knowing, I fought until the last second. I didn't quit. Which version are you choosing? Because let me tell you something. Successful people aren't lucky. They're the ones who refuse to quit in December while everyone else gave up. So right now, type, I'm all in the comments. Make it public. Make it real. You've got 40 days. 40 days to prove to yourself what you're really made of. The question is, are you going to waste them or win them? Your move. Let's go.